Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Princess Peach in our super fun rubber hose cartoon style, inspired by classic 1930s animation and retro cartoons. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a big like, because it really helps the channel grow and keeps these fun tutorials coming. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's have some cartoon fun together. And remember, if any step gets tricky, feel free to pause the video anytime and draw at your own pace. Let's begin with Peach's big, expressive eyes. Notice how they almost resemble little grains or beans, giving her that cute vintage cartoon charm. Now let's add the eyelashes. They're large, elegant, and help Peach keep her classic princess look, even in this silly retro style. Hey guys! Now we're going to talk about some fun facts and curiosities about Princess Peach. Princess Peach first appeared in Super Mario Bros. Back in 1985. She is the ruler of the Mushroom Kingdom and one of Nintendo's most iconic characters ever created. Peach was originally called Princess Toadstool in many early Western releases. Her classic pink dress became one of the most recognizable outfits in gaming history. Draw the eyebrows using very simple curved lines. Sometimes simplicity works perfectly in rubber hose cartoons. Now sketch the tiny, delicate nose. Later, we'll color it with a soft pink tone to make it stand out nicely. Let's draw the big, open, smiling mouth. This huge, cheerful expression makes the drawing feel much more alive and cartoony. Let's shape the cheeks and chin to build the face. Use smooth curves to keep everything soft and playful. Now add the ear on the side of the head. Keep it rounded and very simple. Next come the round blue earrings. They're one of Peach's most iconic accessories. Now we can draw the bangs. The large, flowing curves help give Peach that classic Nintendo silhouette. Add the side lock of hair right in front of the ear, without fully covering it. This little detail gives extra elegance to the hairstyle. Princess Peach has appeared in platform games, racing games, sports games, RPGs, and party games throughout the years. In many Mario games, Peach shows surprising bravery and often helps save the kingdom herself. Now, continue shaping the top section of the hair with broad, curving lines. One of the coolest things about the rubber hose style is how everything feels flexible, stretchy, and super animated. She's becoming quite funny, isn't she? Continue the hair flowing downward with long waves and pointed tips all the way toward the waist area. Okay, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more Mario characters in both original and rubber hose styles, click the card above and check out the full playlist. We already have lots of fun characters there, and many more are coming soon. Also, tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Now let's draw the crown sitting on top of her hair. Add the jewels and little rounded ornaments on the crown to finish the royal look. Awesome! Now, let's move on to the body. Draw the neck and the collar of the dress. Keep the neck slim and elegant to match Peach's graceful design. Now, shape the slender torso using smooth, flowing curves. Let's draw the jewel brooch on the chest. This little accessory instantly makes the outfit recognizable. Now sketch the overskirt section of the dress. Later we'll color this area using a darker pink tone for contrast. Continue with the large, rounded skirt. Big, smooth shapes work beautifully in vintage cartoon styles. Now draw the lower edge of the dress with thick, curving lines. She's looking super stylish already, isn't she? Honestly, Peach could totally make a guest appearance in Cuphead. Now, let's draw the puffy sleeve on the left arm. The arm shapes are truly the cherry on top of the rubber hose style. They bend like noodles and create super fun poses. Draw the left arm forming a mirrored C shape. And pay attention to the white glove cuff above the elbow. We'll make it look like a cartoon donut wrapped around the arm. Now draw the relaxed left hand resting near the dress. The rubber hose cartoon style became popular during the 1920s and 1930s in classic animation history. Games like Cuphead helped bring retro cartoon styles back into popularity for modern audiences. Let's draw the other puffy sleeve on the raised arm. Now sketch the right arm curving upward because Peach is waving at us in this drawing. And of course, don't forget the long classic gloves. Peach's floating ability became one of her most famous gameplay mechanics in several Mario games. In our Mario playlist here on the channel, we also have a tutorial teaching how to draw Princess Peach in her original official design, and it turned out super cute. Draw the right hand happily waving. Keep the fingers rounded and very simple. For cartoon simplicity, we're using only 4 fingers on the hands, a technique used constantly in classic animation. Our princess is absolutely shining in this cheerful waving pose. For the colors, we mainly used bright yellow for the hair, pink tones for the dress, blue jewels, white gloves, and golden details on the crown. But feel free to color your version however you want and have fun experimenting with your own palette. And here's our rubber hose Princess Peach, all finished. She turned out adorable and full of vintage cartoon energy. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!